You'll fix it now. Drive the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the bulldozer. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. Super duper! That's it! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You fixed it! There's something wrong with the wires. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Excellent. Wonderful. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect. Plug the wire into the right place. Blue. Green. You solved the problem. All done. Now help to assemble bulldozer. I appreciate your help. Now we can upgrade the parts.